Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about how you can use Twitter on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Now the first thing that you need to do is go on your phone and launch Samsung Galaxy App Store and there search for Watch Viewer for Twitter and download this app, and it will be installed to your watch. Once you have done that, you will be able to see the app on your watch then. So then just go in there and tap start, and it will give you a link. You have to authorize this, so go on your phone, it will launch Twitter. Okay, let's start again. There you go, it will launch Twitter, and here you need to log in to authorize this. Now it will ask you for a code. Now you go back in the app, press next, and it will give you a code. You put that code in, agree to the terms, press OK, and then you're done. Press next, and it will launch your Twitter, full-blown Twitter on your watch. So you can now just scroll through your timeline, and if you see an image that you want to watch, go in the tweet and tap on the image, and you will be able to watch the image. You can then retweet it, you can like it, and you can go back. And then if you see a video, you can actually watch the damn video on the watch as well. So that's a Twitter video that you will be able to watch on your Samsung Galaxy watch. You can change the screen size, you can increase and decrease the volume, you can mute it if you want, and then you can go back, and then you can keep scrolling, like, share, whatever you want to do. And then if you go here, you can actually go through search and trends as well. You can go in about, and you can go in your own profile too. So that's Twitter for you. That's how you can use Twitter on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. It's an easy process. This is a very nice app actually, that you can use on your watch. Very handy. And that's about it from this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.